Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. I am Brandi Rose. If you are new, your girl is a model. I have some fashion hauls and I have some other makeup tutorials as well as behind the scenes photo shoots. So once you're finished with this video, make sure you check out the other ones because I know you quarantine. I know you quarantine. I know you're not playing with this virus. Anywho, if you guys like to see how I got this look, keep on watching. I'm gonna have one eye done, which is this one, and then we're gonna go from there. So I'm gonna start off with my ColourPop concealer in the color Dark 145, putting that all over my lid. And this is the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. For my base, I'm gonna use the color Homebody. Now I'm going in with Crazy right in the crease to give a little dimension. I'm also spreading this all over the crease area and then blending it out because I want it to be more rounded instead of the cat eye. Now I'm using Not My Journey. This color is very pigmented, but I'm just using this on my lid and packing it on there. Then I'm gonna touch it up a little bit with the other colors and make sure it's well blended. And I'm gonna put it under my eye as well. And we're gonna clean this up later. Now I'm using my NYX Milk eyeliner pencil. And I'm gonna paint the purple on there as well. I also have a liner that I'm gonna use. This is my favorite mascara. This is the Lash Boss mascara. This brush is really small. I can get in the details. Now I'm gonna use my Yes To wipes and clean up under my eye. This is the lashes I'm gonna be wearing, and this is the foundation I'm using. This is the NYX Sienna. And the lashes that I put on are from the beauty supply store. So if you guys can get into one of them real quick or order from one of them while you quarantine, girl, you better order them. You better order them lashes. I'm going back in with the ColourPop concealer, and this is Dark 145W. Using my blender. So I've never used this before. This is the ColourPop blush in the color Super Shock. And I thought it was gonna be way more pigmented than it is, so I just had to keep building on it. Now I'm using the Laura Geller Baked Illuminator. I swear this is the best highlighter that I've ever used. It's an oldie but goodie. And I'm gonna spare you guys with my lips because one, I used a liner and then like tried a pink color from the Fenty and I didn't like it with this look. So I really played around with this brown lip liner and then used the Tarte Bestie lip paint and blended it in like that. And the last eyeshadow that I used is the Talia color. And I just wanted to put it on the inner corners of my eye to add a little pop, add a little spark, you know what I'm saying? A little something, something. and this is the look. You are the real MVP if you've made it to the end of this video, because I know you ain't going nowhere. You're not going anywhere. You're gonna click in this area right here, and then you're gonna watch my other videos because you like me. I know you do. Remember, your girl is a model, fashion hauls, BTS, and makeup tutorials. Go watch them. Right there. What are you doing? Have you clicked on it yet? Have you? Don't play with me. Go click my other videos. Follow me on Instagram at I am Brandi Rose while you're doing that, because I got some bomb ass pictures. Thank you, dolls. See you in the next video.